everyone. A very warm welcome to Special Education Lessons with Simi Vasu. Today we are going to do motor planning. And why is motor planning so important part of our special education series? I'm a firm believer that if you cannot do things at the gross level, and that is the protocol of development also. So if you cannot do things at the gross level, at the bigger muscles, if they do not function well, then the smaller muscles, even our brain, everything will not work. Nature always grows from gross to fine. It doesn't go the other way round. Okay, so there are certain prerequisites, certain skills which are the base of our learning pyramids, the motor skills being one of them, along with the sensory. So now when we work on the motor planning part of it, what are we achieving for our children? Well, when the child is able to understand, okay, I have an obstacle course, I have to go through a tunnel, I have to climb on a stool, then jump, then there is a table, I have to go around the table. So when he sees these obstacles and the instruction given, all that planning first happens in his head, right? And then he's getting the visual cue also, how he needs to maneuver through these obstacles. Similarly, when he sees a maze, a simple maze, that's motor planning at a finer level, when he has to see that the pencil doesn't hit the sides, or for that matter, even writing inside a line or coloring inside a line is a part of our spatial awareness and motor planning. And in language, yes, if somebody has asked me a question and I need to reply, and if I have to retrieve from memory, I mean, after hearing the question, I have to retrieve from memory and then plan my answer. Okay, first I need to address this, then this, and that's how my answer would be complete for the person. All this is a part of motor planning, right? So if you are able to do motor planning at a gross level, if we encourage our children to teach them that, then definitely you will see that progress in all other spheres also, be it their writing, be it their reading, be it their communication, right? And the confidence in the way they present themselves. So me and my friend and therapist Anju, we have designed a few motor planning games, and they are at the cross level. This is in our group session which we do with our children. Hope you enjoy them and learn from them. Feel free to connect to us, and do like and subscribe us and encourage us. Thank you so much.
Good.
Good job.
नहीं नहीं one leg हाँ well done.
No, now she did really well. Shivanshi, very good.
हाँ.
Next.
Yes.
Yes.
two
दोनों-
legs.
दोनों legs, दोनों
हाँ
legs.
दोनों legs. Yes. वो उसने प्रैक्टिस किया हुआ है ना, ये उसके पास घर पे है. Well done.
ध्यान से सर ना लगे.
बहुत लंबी है वो. Very good.
This is an excellent motor planning and balancing activity. The ability to balance your body shows your muscle maturity, which is actually required for sitting tolerance, concentration, to be environmentally present. Apart from that, the stimulus provided, the drawings, how soon are you able to motor plan your limbs according to the drawing presented, teaches you a speed of response. How fast can you respond to a stimulus?
Oh,
Good try, Varane.
Very good. Shabash. Jump. Jump. Very good. Climb on. Number 2. Very good. Number 3. Shabash. Go round. Very good. Weber, go round. Round. Very good. Number 3. Ajao. Number 4. Number 4. Very good. Under the table. Weber, under the table. Ajao. Very good. Ajao. Weber, come. Under the table. Weber, number 5. High five.
The traditional obstacle course is an all time favorite of all the therapists and parents. It teaches your child to plan his body as per each and every obstacle presented. So he learns to utilize or place his body in the given space, an essential skill later on to color between the lines, to write between the lines.
Round the circle, round, round, round. Come out. Number 4. Under the table. Alif, under the table. Babu. Under the table. Under the table. 4 is under the table. Crawl, 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 crawl. Crawl, crawl, crawl.
Very good.
Crawling. Very good. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Number 5. Come, come, come. Number 5. High five. क्रॉस, हाँ क्रॉस करो. वेरी गुड. डालो.
क्रॉस.
वेरी गुड.
हाँ धीरे धीरे. हाँ वेल डन. गुड जॉब निशांत. अपनी पेंसिल निकालो बस. कार्तिक ले लो. देखो. हाँ वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छे. हाँ कार्तिक ठीक से.
पर नहीं हालना है. कार्तिक को लेना है.
कार्तिक को लेना है. हाँ आप ऐसे निकाल लिया करो अपने. हाथ कर लो बस हो गया. देखो ऐसे आप नीचे कर लोगे निकल जाएगी. ले लो निशांत. निशांत पिटाना. ओ केयरफुली. हाँ.
In a way, while transferring the cup from one person to the other, they are also learning to be patient, to wait till the time the partner has taken over the cup from them, and then at the exact moment removing, something which we require as a life skill also.
चलो ले लो. गुड जॉब. वेरी गुड. ऐसे निकालना है. ले लो. वेरी गुड. अब निकाल लो. हाँ वेरी गुड. गुड जॉब. सीधा रखो ऊपर. आप नीचे निकाल लो. वेरी गुड. हाँ ले लो निशान. हाँ हंस रहे हो अच्छे से. केयरफुली. हाँ
और हंसो मत.
वेल डन.
हाँ जंप.
वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. जंप.
Very
You can go and sit.
This was another variation of the obstacle course where 2 hurdles were placed and the child had to just jump over and place the rings. Basically, in the first attempt we gave them 1 ring, and later on 2 rings were given. The child, after jumping, had to just plan and see which ring goes where.
Yay.
वेरी गुड. वेल डन व्यान.
धीरे से दो.
स्पून में दे दो. गिरना नहीं. हाँ कुछ नहीं होता है. धीरे से दो. गिरना नहीं चाहिए.
वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड.
ले लो आप भी. आराम से यहाँ रखना है. होल्ड करो. ठीक से. हाँ ले लो.
फोकस करना है. अटेंशन गेम है.
डरना नहीं है. कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
वेरी गुड. स्वयं वेल डन.
अब बनने को दे दो. वेरी गुड.
अच्छा नहीं पकड़ रहे. हाँ
कार्तिक ले लो.
कार्तिक आराम से. तुम दोनों हाथ से पकड़ो. हाँ धीरे.
आराम से. हाँ दे दो आराम से. वेरी गुड.
गुड ट्राई.
निशांत खुद से लो. निशांत ले लो.
अपने आप लो. अपने आप लो.
हाँ ले लो.
रिंग
हाँ हिलाना नहीं. निशांत हिलाना नहीं है. चुप. वेरी गुड. अब मैंने को दो. मैं नहीं पकड़ रही. वेरी गुड. ये लो.
कार्तिक लो. अच्छे से पकड़ो.
हवा में पकड़ता है. ओ ये लो. गिर गई नहीं. ध्यान नहीं देते.
ध्यान दो कार्तिक. ध्यान दो. अभी जाओ. गो राउंड. गो. वैभव मुझे देखे जा रहा है. ब्लू वैभव. वेरी गुड. गो राउंड. रेड.
In the skittle toppling game, there was movement, so the child was given movement, and then there was an auditory instruction also. So while moving, suddenly we would name a color, and the child had to topple that color only. So a very good activity, basically, wherein the child has to be again present and listen to the instruction and execute the instruction given.
So go round, 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 round. Very good. And red. Last is. Last is. कौन सा कलर है ये?
चलो 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 रशु चलो आराम से स्लोली वैभव रशु को भी लेके चलना है डालो वेरी गुड चलो पकड़ो चलो आओ दो सौमित नो बैग वेट करो वैभव मैम डालेंगे होल्ड करो वैभव रशु होल्ड हाँ नीचे रखो ठीक से होल्ड करो रशु पहले होल्ड करो टाइटली होल्ड करो छोड़ना नहीं गिर जाएगी बॉल बॉल नहीं गिरनी चाहिए चलो हाँ चलो वेरी गुड चलो चलो स्लोली धीरे धीरे वैभव धीरे हाँ चलो डालो वेरी गुड चलो होल्ड करो रशु होल्ड करो पकड़ो जाओ अब अपने पार्टनर के साथ फिर से बॉल लेके आओ
This game was all about partnership. So the two partners had to work in coordination so that they do not lose the ball. And since it was just on a piece of cloth, both of them had to walk together carefully. These were our younger children between the age of 4.5 to 8 years. And still, if you can see, I mean, these children are trying their best not to lose the ball, move from one end of the room to the other, and then put the ball in the basket.